Hey there, this is Taj Muhammad. Today I have decided that I was creating short videos, but from now I also create a little bit long videos. In that videos I can explain more. Please note one thing, that I am not an expert, but I am here to share my experience. I am making these videos to help who are trying to learn English. So let's start the video. Well, for improve your English, you don't need to learn whole English grammar, because grammar is a huge topic. There are two basic things to understand that how can you learn quickly or speak quickly in English. There are two things in grammar. Number one, tenses, and number two, vocabulary. With the help of tenses, you will be able to learn present tense, past tense, future tense. With the help of present tense, you will be able to speak about your present, that what are you doing right now. And with the help of past tense, you will be able to explain about your past. And with the help of future tense, you will be able to speak about your future. Just like present, I'm working with an international organization, suppose. Just like past tense, you will be able to speak about your past, like I was a student. Like future, you can say like I'll be a successful person if I work hard. That's the future. If you got expertise in tenses, in three tenses, present, past, and future, you'll be able to read, write, and speak. Most important, you'll be able to write correctly and speak. But with the fluency speaking, that's another topic. How can you be able to speak fluently? With the practice. But with the help of tenses, you will be able to create sentences. That's the basic thing. After that, vocabulary. With the help of vocabulary, you will be able to complete your sentences. Well, that's for the today's video. I hope you will enjoy the video. If you liked, please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.